In the previous video, we have shown you how to create a website, create a form, create calendar, create automation on GoHighLevel. And in this video, let me show you how we can create a funnel in GoHighLevel. Funnel is a little bit different with the websites. If the websites usually using for portfolio or profiles, and when funnel usually using to get the lead. How to do that? First, in here, you can click sites after you log in into your GoHighLevel, and you will see there is funnel. Okay, when you open the first time the sites, it will directly into your funnels. Because this is important, okay, just click create folder. For example, WT like this to make your funnel steadier, because this is just for a test. And open the folder. And to create a funnel, you can just click new funnel. And you can see you can create from a blank, from templates, or another. You can directly create from templates if you want to just learning. This is just for example. And we will try to create from scratch after that. The funnel will have steps. It's a little bit different with the websites. Okay. Let's see where is the simple. Okay, we will choose the simple. Okay, choose template. We will create this funnel with this template. After that, we will try to create the funnel with from scratch. Okay, this is from template. You can see there. Okay, and after you creating a funnel with the template like this, you can just click connect a domain. Okay, you can just select your domain. For example, we'll select the previous subdomain that we already manage and click save. And you can see when you open this, okay, this is our funnel. You can see funnel usually don't have navigation on the top. It's focused to get the leads. So usually it will add the button or it will add the form directly rather than using menu like websites. So the visitor, not distraction. Okay. If we click claims, usually this is have a form like I just say before. Okay, you can see this is the funnel, and when you click back, okay, when you click back in there, okay, you can see the funnel have this step. Okay, in our template that we just import have these three step over, consultation appointment, and thank you page. And this is because the funnel is focused on to get the leads, so not using navigation menu like a websites. Usually visitor will directly into the form and visitor fill the form. After that, we have the leads. Okay, we will try to create from scratch, for example, just using two steps. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, we will create the funnel from scratch, so you don't confuse with them later. Just click create funnel, and for example, this is yoga, for example, or consultation, consul consultation. Okay, like this, and click create. From blank, you can see you can also create with AI, but usually using AI will have, you must pay for that. Okay, you can click add new step or import. Just click add. For example, home of consultation. Okay, like this. And just click create funnel step. We will create the funnel very easy with one form because this is just for example. Okay, just click create from blank. Let's see. In our case, we have created the form before, so we can add the form in here. Okay, we can close this and we can add the one column like this. You can also change the background of your funnel. Okay, for example, you can select the background color. Okay, and you can click add. For example, you need to add a form. Okay, and we can pick the form. For example, you can using contact us or usually registration. Okay, you can using this registration and we can click submit. After that, just click save first. After that, click update and connect a domain here. We will select the domain and click save. Okay, this is the first step. We will create the second step. This is the funnel. For design, you can freely design in GoHighLevel. So because this is just, for example, we create a very simple page. Okay, we can click publish them first. Then click back. We can create a new step. Okay, just add new step or import. For example, this is thank you page. And create a funnel step. Okay, after you create the thank you page, you can also create from blank and you can say thank you in this case. And let me show you. We can moving from one funnel to second funnel. Okay, just click at one column and you can make the gradient also. Let's add the text headline, for example. Thank you. You will contact by us later. For example, like this. And click save and click publish. Okay, we can click publish. Now you can configure when user fill the form. Okay, when user fill the form of your funnel. Okay, for example here, after you click edit, you will see the option to redirect action. Go to next step in here. This is the very different with the websites. Just go to the next step after people. Okay, after people is filling this form. And just for example, let's click publish and click save. So this is the funnel mean. It's focused to get the leads or customer data. Okay, when we open this, our funnel, I will close this. For example, this is Yalala, Yululu, the phone number, you can fill randomly, Yalala, Yululu at gmail.com. And we can click this, and when we click submit here, you can see there, it will direct it into the second funnels. It's mean the funnel like landing page. Okay, so the focus on how to get the lead, not a website. If the websites, the focus in showing a profile or portfolio. And in the next step, we will try to create another tutorial from GoHighLevel. Hope this video helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.